coming from a friend of mine, I can tell. Okay. You don't look like you're starving. You act like you're starving, but you don't look like you're starving. So where are your friends? No friends, just me. All by myself here. Just have to feed everything to me. Finish chewing. Finish.
I do not chew.
That's okay. Keep the camera. And I hope it's recording. I'm not 100% certain. Somebody was rushing me.
You think she was leaving?
You're not leaving. You haven't even got to dessert yet. How do you feel about strawberries? Hold on. No, please don't be offended. It's nothing personal, but I do wash my hands between courses. So they slow you down a little bit, do they?
I'm not as sure about these. Are we going to get any strawberries?
We can. Well, I'm washing hands between courses and using a spoon. Take them out of the container. Just in case we want to eat strawberries. We're slowing her down anyway.
Hopefully they're okay in her tummy.
We probably shouldn't eat too many strawberries.
Bring your friends. He loves you to come visit. It makes his day. What friends?
Hold on.
I don't have any friends.
Hold on.
I need all the food.
Barely enough to go around, huh? We're all done. We know this guy. I know you.
Hi,
Don't we?
Bucky. How are
know
you today?
Now, is there any chance at all I can feed the other guy? Not a chance. Huh?
Not a chance. What if I tried to?
Not on either of you guys anymore, is it? I don't know this time.
You got it now, anyway. Perfect now.
Yeah. You dropped some on the ground. Look, you dropped some on the ground. Now I need to go back inside and get some more for you.
Good looking deer.
I'll be right back.
You're a young one, aren't you? Does he eat from the hand okay?
Well, he eats fine from the hand.
Okay.
You found, did you?
Where's the shy? Oh, you are the shy one.
The shy one hung up. Bucky gave up too quickly.
Bucky!
I saw somebody else over here. Okay. Don't worry, I'm pressing around here. Get down to your level.
Oh, there's someone else over there.
I'm checking out, see what else is on the menu.
Yeah, exactly.
Your greed will be your downfall.
Oh, he's heading back.
These are all the carrots, by the way.
Do we need any more?
No, we don't need any more. Not for ourselves. Now we're getting somewhere, aren't we?
We wouldn't forget you. You're the first, Bucky.
Hey, you're getting used to this, aren't you?
Is that enough now? You're persistent.
I'm done now.
This guy's getting the hang of it here.
Is this your buddy? Or your competition in a couple of years? This
I'm not considering competition now because he usually be chasing them off.
Yeah.
You guys are traveling together, are you?
Where are the ladies? Where are the ladies today? You don't want to talk about it, huh? You're hungry. Is that enough?
No. What a strange term. I don't know what's getting on camera right now with him and his big head in the way.
Oh, yeah. Come over here. Oh,
No, you don't.
no, I've done it. Do we have that? Yes, you do.
Okay, but I'm out of food now.
Trade ya.
Okay. Here we go.
Well, at least the smaller one got something.
Put the camera out there too.
And you want pictures? Doggy.
There's gonna be nothing left for supper, you know that, right?
No carrots? You're gonna have a tummy ache if you eat that many carrots. You know that, right? Just for dessert.
Here comes the other guy.
Come over here.
Here, come on.
Don't go behind his butt. Hey, here you go. You don't mind if I don't cut it up, right? You're okay with that? You
Here.
Do you really need all these? You sure that's not enough?
Should have seen what the lady ate the other day. She ate most of the tomatoes.
Who told you we were here, guys? Who told you? Chew first, swallow first, man. Come on. Your mom must have taught you how to eat properly. Yeah. Did he eat all of his?
Yeah, he's done. Okay, we're gonna see what's over here now.
Competition here. Okay. You better.
Oh, you do like potatoes, apparently. You okay with that? Oh yeah. You know I have to save some of these for myself,
Yeah,
right?
we do need to save some for supper.
Well, we don't need any for our supper today. We've got our supper planned. But future suppers would be
Yeah,
nice.
yeah, we might want to eat for a couple of days.
Yeah. Wait.
Is potato starting as part of your diet?
They are today. Okay.
Hope it's okay, Alan. For him.
Fresh. Is there anything that's not part of your diet?
He's not into meat.
Nothing comes to mind at the moment, apparently. Hold on.
He chased the other guy off, by the way. Might want to throw some to the other guy.
Oh, you missed it.
He'll find it.
I'm gonna find it before I run out of stuff for this guy. Look, you cleared it out again. See? I don't know, they did find it.
Yeah. I'm not sure. Definitely don't go by his rear end there. Well, the other guy's coming up from the other side. Don't turn your back on them.
Completely cleared out now. Now you wipe this out, utterly. Yes, you're nice. You're being mean to him, you know that, right? Look at that.
Kisses, kisses. Salt, salt. Affectionate.
Now, can I have some more food? You completely wiped me out. You wiped me out. The rest of the food is for us. We need to eat too.
Why? Go find somewhere else to eat. Yeah.
All right.
Suckers. You know who's got the soft touch here, don't you? Yeah.
I'm sure there's more in there.
All I have to do is look cute and soulful. I know.
Okay, fine. Wouldn't let baby try any.
You won't?
No. She ate the whole bun.
Oh, well.
But wouldn't let baby get her head around.
Just cautious. Good mom?
The older of the two wouldn't come anywhere near me. She backed off right away.
Okay.
But the younger one wanted to see what I was giving Mom. Mom wouldn't let.